getting ready to put in. Yeah, it's ready. Check out some of this ice out here. Oh, check it out. It's moving pretty fast.
I put a spell on you.
Anyway,
Because you're
we're headed
mine.
out there. All right, let's do it. Yeah, I'm good. Do it. All right, we're out here now. Oh, it's fogging up. There's Carl. There's DJ. And there's ice everywhere. Ice everywhere. Just ride up and get all crunchy in it. Alright, I'm gonna go get back on some more ice. Anyway, we came in back there somewhere, and we're gonna head out to an island out here, so gotta row, gotta go.
Yeah, man.
Got myself stuck on a nice big slice of ice. It's cool, you just chill. Where's Carl? He's over there working. He's way out over there. Big belt of ice out in the middle here. Where's DJ? There he is. Shimmy off. Oh. Alright. Stuck. I better cut this off. Alright, we paddled out to main jetty point. Out here goes to this little artificial island thing. I guess it's a real island, whatever. Alright. Here's the jetty.
Yo, I just got right on top of this fucking rock.
We're gonna go out to that island. Right there. And we put in over on the other side where that tree line is over there. So we're gonna head over to this island. We'll record a little more. DJ just got stuck, he's all freaked out. But look at this. Striper fishing in 2 months. Jigging all along these rocks here. It's gonna be nuts. It's a new Cheez-It. I don't know what it's called. It's really good though. I don't know what these guys down here are doing. They're sharing beers or something. But I think we're don't drop the camera. We're gonna go up there where those trees are and chill out or something. Focus. Camera's slow in the cold. We're gonna go up there and check that out for a minute. Alright, we just came out to this island that the jetty out here that we were just at is connected to. We just came down here, pulled up into the mud. Still snowing. We're gonna walk around up here some. God, it stinks. Mud. I sound like a little girl. Alright, peace. Alright, we walked up here. Yak's right over there. Got us a nice little shelter. Fire something. Found some bricks laying around. A little bit of driftwood. Always keep a fire stick handy. Here's a little all-natural fire stick right here. Lights, wet, cold, hot, whatever. Look at that, son. Let's see. Still good. Let's see.